Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can create a Telegram account without a phone number. And I'm also here to tell you the truth, and I want the best for you, but there is one thing that I need to tell you, and that is there is no way how you can create an account without a phone number. Because if I go to settings, hold that settings button and I tap on add account, the only way that Telegram will give you is to log in with a phone number. So the only way how you can do this is maybe go to a site where they create fake phone numbers, and they can also send you a confirmation code for that, because you also need a confirmation from the SMS or from your phone for creating a new account. So keep in mind, stop searching. There is no way how you can do this without phone number. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, have a wonderful day.